Today I'm going to show you how to make mini strawberry puff tartlets. You will need 500 grams of puff pastry, 200 grams of strawberries and 125 grams of strawberry jam. Firstly, you want to flour your work surface, then roll out your puff pastry. You want to roll it out into a thick rectangle. Then, using a muffin tray, which I dusted with flour, though having baked these I would suggest using some butter as well as flour because mine's still stuck to the tray. You then want to use a cookie cutter that is larger than your muffin tray, so I chose the biggest one that I have, and then just cut out circles of puff pastry and then line each hole in the muffin tray with puff pastry. Then put half a teaspoon of the jam in the bottom, just spreading it out, just so then it covers the bottom of the pastry cases. Then you want to chop up your strawberries and then just fill each case with some strawberries. And then to the strawberry jam that you have left, you just want to put half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of water in, just to water it down slightly, and then we're just going to use that as a glaze and then just pop that on top of each of the strawberries. And then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 6. 200 degrees Celsius or 180 fan assisted, and bake for 20 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make mini strawberry puff tartlets.